The following contest is a handicap match. Making her way to the ring from Rio Grande Valley, Texas, Raquel Rodriguez.
Raquel already has plenty of championship gold to her name. NXT Women's Champion, multiple tag titles.
It's hard to imagine anything getting in her way. The personification of dominance in NXT and WWE since day one.
Yeah, and I think we can all agree that Raquel Rodriguez is getting better with every match.
Even when she makes short work of her opponent.
Here comes Eve Torres.
And her opponents, first from Denver, Colorado, Eve Torres.
And don't get it twisted, Eve is more...
Here comes the Pride Fighter.
And a woman who is all about the power.
And from Shaman, New Jersey, Sonya.
Oh, here's a cunning opportunist.
Careful how you speak about Sonya, Cole. She happens to...
It's a battle of odds, an ultimate test of will, the handicap match. Competitors are set, and we are getting underway with Raquel Rodriguez. And this handicap match will be underway with Eve Torres and Sonya Deville.
Such a dicey situation for an individual to be in. I wouldn't even know what advice to give.
Run. Go home. Live to fight another day and pray that fight isn't with this many other people again.
Sent into the corner. Man.
She scores big with the counter.
Ah, look at this. Hair pull mat slam. Big time spine buster. Could lead to a big time win. Escaped just in time.
Oh, man. That was a vicious display. You can almost see the disdain in their eyes. Few know how to be as abrasive as Sonya Deville.
Talk about being bent. Byron, what's the mindset of the side that is outnumbered?
You have to find a way to even the odds. Target an opponent's arm or leg. Take them out of the match. At least there'll be one less opponent you have to worry about.
She's about to rise up to something catastrophic.
From way up.
Good Lord, taking flight.
Soaring through the sky and crashing onto their opponent. Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Stomping down.
Deville clearly feeling mighty proud of herself right about now. Ooh.
She's surely revving up, but she better put the rubber on the road already.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
And back into the ring she goes.
Caught the clothesline attempt. Driven down STO.
Tagging this outside.
This could be good.
With no countouts, there's nothing keeping her inside the ring.
So much damage inflicted.
She wants to take this one outside the ring, it seems.
Ooh, I see how it is. Going to take any shortcut to bypass a clean competition.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with a shortcut, Saxton.
Russian leg sweep. Rodriguez shows the wherewithal. Clothesline.
Sonya Deville rolls through into the triangle armbar. Gotta pass the arm. Trying to free herself from the triangle. Left hands fighting desperately, and she's free.
Oh, and that will keep Torres at bay.
Ooh, she hit the corner hard. Ooh, man. Snapmare takedown. Oh, my. Hip attack. Make it twice. A third time. Can we see it? Oh, yeah. I like it.
It's not even Saturday night. I'm sure you do.
Oh, boy. Come on. Not the chair.
Might take her head clean off her shoulders.
Great counter, impressive ring IQ on display there.
Shoulder tackle.
Deville struggling to defend herself.
Raquel isn't holding anything back.
This one is headed outside, guys. She heads out of the ring.
Interesting strategy.
What a move.
She needs to stop saying she's going to bring it and actually deliver on the promise. Comes back into the ring.
Torres making clear she has her number.
Oh! And it looks like she wants to take this match outside.
Look at the power of Raquel Rodriguez. Has her opponent up and
A gory bomb.
Teed off. Reversal from Raquel. Oh, clothesline.
Torres making clear she has her number.
Oh, kick right to the spine.
She's losing some steam now.
Still, this is about as good a position you can hope to be in this late in a handicap match.
Oh my gosh, nowhere to go. Suplex attempt. Able to go behind though. Into a top one.
Both superstars showing great awareness of their opponent's repertoire.
She's in the ring now. Will it be? And she thwarts the pin attempt in one.
Amazing effort by her.
Boom, what a clothesline.
Reversal after reversal, proving they did their homework. Up and
Oh, knee right to the spine. She's starting to tire a little.
yeah, but at this point in a handicap match, you have to expect some lasting damage. Considering the situation, things could be far worse.
Telegraphed that one and delivers a blow to the gut.
She's able to get out of the way.
Textbook neck breaker.
She covers for the pin. Still only got one.
That's smart. Taking the one to catch your breath. Ripping their opponent down by the hair. Placing them into position, and look at this agonizing situation. Gotta be careful not to get disqualified.
She turns it right around with a counter. Oh, there's a response against Eve. With a lariat.
Oh my gosh, what impact!
Evades the attack.
With authority.
Someone call a dentist.
Cover. Is it enough? She still fights out in one.
I'm happy she did. I don't want this match to end.
With the reversal. Inverted DDT.
Lights out. Nice transition, looking for the triangle armbar.
Uh-oh, triangle armbar submission. I don't know what choice
She's in trouble. Better find a way out, fighting desperately, and she's free.
Uh-oh, look at this.
this. Single leg takedown. What's coming up next? I know. Byron, pay attention. Take notes. You're about to learn a full wins or not.
What in the world?
She needs to stop saying she's going to bring it and actually deliver on the promise.
Look at this. Single leg takedown. What's coming up next? I know. Byron, pay attention. Take notes. You're about to learn a full wins or not.
What in the world?
Torres is done.
Into the corner. This can't be good. We are seeing a next level performance from...
I have no earthly idea how she's going to do this. This is absolutely insanity.
This is going to be impossible. Are you kidding? No way.
Double Samoan drop. Raquel might have clinched it there. The cover. Near fire. Had to dig deep to break that pin.
But can it be done again? How much is left after that?
And a look of confusion is on Raquel's face, unsure how things aren't over yet. Torres surprises her. Using the hair to drag their opponent down. Oh, no, look at this.
Standing on the hair.
Russian leg sweep. Not done there.
And heavy hands to follow.
I am feeling a titanic shift. Roaring through this crowd right now.
Well, you're not the only one, Saxton. It's all coming to a head now.
She's going up.
Top rope hit.
She knows what an important equalizer the kendo stick can be.
She flips it back on her.
Heading back to the ring. Sonya Deville calling on the WWE Universe to fuel her.
She slips outside. What has she got in mind?
Hope you boys put your running shoes on. It might be time to clear out.
Sleeper slam.
She's on unsteady legs in the corner. Needs to recover.
Face first in the turnbuckle.
Taking it outside the ring now. Well-placed elbow to break up the maneuver.
Few know how to be as abrasive as Sonya Deville.
Oh, and that will keep Rodriguez at bay. SOS! She's into the ring again. Here we go. Inverted DDT.
Lights out.
Taking this match off the mat now. From the
Look out.
through the air. It connects.
Deville has set her sights on her opponent now.
Making sure her opponent remembers who the better superstar is.
Sonya Deville with a headlock and then the elbow drop.
No way Raquel's getting up now.
Shades of the OEC dub as a kendo stick is introduced to the proceedings. The entire WWE Universe is on their feet.
An absolute barn burner. Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
Using a handful of hair to deliver the snapmare. And this is even worse, my goodness.
Eve going up.
Rodriguez staggers up, but might be put back down for good. Inverted facelock.
Driven down with an elbow to the heart. Sonya can be looking to end this.
2 count. No, she kicks out. She
believing. And Raquel is making a believer out of all of us right now after a kick out like that.
That is firing your biggest shot, but leaving your prey left standing. Time to reload. Shoulder tackle.
Oof, a meeting of the minds creates separation.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Re-entering the ring now. Into the corner now.
Brought in the hard way. Elbow thrown to break up the maneuver. Seeing an answer for every move attempted. Few know how to be as abrasive as Sonya Deville.
Rapid shots right to the gut. Ooh, just relentless.
And no countouts means she has the whole outside to play with.
And it looks like she has swift justice in mind, going for the kendo stick like that.
And she's stunned in the corner. Got it, scouted.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Now that'll do some serious damage.
Oh, huge splash. Uh-oh. Face full of turnbuckle.
To the outside.
This could get wild.
Throws her back in from ringside.
Big time power slam.
A burst of offense from Raquel.
Sonya keeps getting cut down.
And Sonya is finally able to mount some resistance with that.
Yeah, Sonya getting some newly determined focus.
Look how she's raining down those elbows.
Nice transition, looking for the triangle armbar.
Oh, triangle armbar submission.
She's in trouble. Better find a way out, fighting desperately, and she's free.
Oh, what a chop block.
I don't even know what to say about this.
Into a standing moonsault. She's going for it. She gets the shoulder up.
What a match.
And now she's climbing to the top turnbuckle.
Flying.
Listen to this crowd. What a feeling.
And these superstars are feeling it too.
Torres turning her attention to the WWE Universe now.
Caught an elbow to the gut for that effort.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Battling ringside, and our announce table's getting shaky.
That's because Byron is quivering in fear next to me.
Well, I get nervous with inverted face lock into an elbow drop. Deville on the verge here.
Is it enough? The cover! 2. Kick out. I thought it was finished off for sure.
I think it took everything Raquel had left in her to power out of that pin attempt.
The heaviest artillery has been used, but it's not enough for the 3.
Oh, man.
She's surely ready up, but she better put the rubber on the road already.
Big power slam. Torres making clear she has her number.
the floor. What's she gonna do? No telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
And she's pulled out a steel chair. That could be an equalizer inside the ring.
And now thrown back into the ring. Takedown, and now punches, rights, big clothesline. No count out as she takes this fight to the floor. Moves outside, what's the plan here? Raquel interrupts the attack. Reversal, can she capitalize? Lariat, she re-enters the ring now.
Torres turning her attention to the WWE Universe now.
Stomp to the leg.
Rodriguez hoists her up. Torres! Rodriguez with a big-time move.
The powerhouse Raquel Rodriguez.
This is troublesome for Deville.
Set up in the corner of the ring. Ooh, strikes with an uninterrupted surge against Torres here.
Attack.
Here's a cover. Could be it. Torres has been eliminated. So this is the end of the line for her. Back into the ring. Turns that back on Sonya.
And Rodriguez is finally changing the tempo with that attack.
Could be a chance for Raquel to change the complexion of this match.
Glory bomb.
And Raquel Rodriguez with an epic Tahana bomb.
You can't take any more of that. This must be over.
Kick out. Thought that was the end of her.
You have to wonder, what more does she have left?
We agree.
Rodriguez hoists her up. Tahana bomb.
Rodriguez has this wrapped up for the win. 2.
Yes, Raquel Rodriguez with the victory. These women put on quite a show. Here's another look.
Here is your winner, Raquel Rodriguez.
That's your winner, folks, outlasting all other superstars in this match.
Absolutely, Cole. We just witnessed quite the combination of endurance, in-ring savvy, and if I'm being honest, some pure luck.
Elimination matches are no picnic, but they still made it through in one piece.